is yoga for beginners. Some very simple and very easy yoga posture, especially for beginners. Mountain pose. From here, keep your both palm on the mat. Inhaling 1, 2, 3 and make the Namaskar mudra. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. First of all, manage your breath. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhaling 1. Pancha Upaprana, especially for heart chakra activate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and push 1 to side as well. Very good for stretching. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The place exhaling 1, 2, 3. Hold it breath 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhaling 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slowly you can practice body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Relax on the Supta Baddha Konasana. This is also very good, especially for women, for PCOD, PCOS. For leg is left side. Keep your feet, hand is also apart, palm facing up. From here, inhaling 1, 2, 3. Namaskar, good morning everybody. Me certified yoga teacher Shiva Pokharel, my channel Yoga and Fitness with Shiva. Today I am going to give a very important yoga posture. That name is yoga for beginners. Some very simple and very easy yoga posture, especially for beginners. Therefore, if you are a newcomer in my channel, you can subscribe my channel, like my video and comment on the comment box. If you feel this video is very useful for your friends, colleague and loved one, you can share this video. And do not forget to hit on the bell icon for latest notification. Let's start today's video. We early woke up and nearly in the Brahm Muhurat. The environment is very calm and peace, and this is very good for our physical, mental and spiritual health. Then you can practice some simple and very easy yoga posture for our better health. Let's start some yoga asana to make your mind and your heart, your mind together. Seated and meditative yoga posture. If you are not able to sit meditative yoga posture, you can sit on the especially Parvatasana or mountain pose. From here, keep your both palm on the mat. Inhaling 1, 2, 3 and make the Namaskar mudra or Anjali mudra above, just above your head, and stay in this posture. This is also very good. Stay in this posture for a few seconds. Slowly release the posture. If you are not able to sit on the Padmasana, you can sit Sukhasana. From here, inhaling 1, 2, 3 and hold your breath 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly exhaling 1, 2, 3. This is very good for our belly fat, to reduce digestive system, to improve digestive system, to improve the especially Anahata chakra, especially lungs and heart is very good by practicing this Parvatasana, to improve height, to improve concentration, focus, and this is very good for beginner level, especially for women as well. Therefore, then you can slowly lie down on the Dharasana. Slowly inhale, exhale. Then you can practice some on variation of this Bhujanga Asana. From here, clasp your both hand. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. First of all, manage your breath. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhaling 1, 2, 3 and relax on the Makarasana. This is also excellent practice to improve our pancha prana, pancha upaprana, especially for heart chakra activate. Keep the relationship between chitta and mind and all the psychological parts. From here, slowly lie down on the right side and slowly. Then you can sit at this position and slowly push your hand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and push your one to side as well. Very good for stretching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slowly come on the center. Slowly 1, 2. Then you can practice asterisk asana. Inhaling 1, 2, 3 and hold your breath. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Exhaling 1, 2, 3. Slowly you can practice other very important yoga posture is Pavan Mukta Asana. Inhaling at the place, exhaling 1, 2, 3. Hold your breath. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhaling 1, 2, 3. Exhaling 1, 2, 3. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhaling 1. Inhaling 1, 2, 3. Slowly exhaling 1, 2, 3. And push your other side and twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slowly you can practice other side. Slowly. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come on the center, and you can practice bridge pose or Setupanda Asana. Inhaling, raise your up body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Slowly come on the center, and then you can relax on the Supta Baddha Konasana. This is also very good, especially for women, for PCOD, PCOS, for hip opening as well. You can also practice this Supta Baddha Konasana to relax your body, mind and soul to concentration over one thing. Slowly inhale, exhale. Inhaling, exhaling. This is an excellent yoga asana to improve the parasympathetic nervous system, to activate our overall health. Inhale, exhale. Then you can relax on this Savasana. Savasana, you can keep your feet comfortably apart. Right leg is right side, left side leg is left side. Keep your feet, hand is also apart, palm facing up. From here, inhaling 1, 2, 3, exhaling 1, 3, inhaling 1, 2, 3, exhaling 1, 2, inhaling 1, 2, 3, exhaling 1, 2, 3. Concentration over one thing. Inhale, exhale. You can relax over all 16 marmasthan of your body. Relax your mind for parasympathetic nervous system, to re-energize your body by practicing at least 10 minutes in Savasana is very good for our overall health. Slowly erect your body, lie down on the right side and slowly wake up. Then you can practice on very easy pranayama, that name is Anulom Vilom. Make Prana Mudra or Vishnu Mudra. Close your right nostril, inhaling from left. Thank you for watching my videos completely. We'll meet next day with my video. Bye bye. Namaskar. Have a nice day. Bye bye. you can meditation some minute as well.